We're starting to talk about metaverse now the same way we started to talk about the internet in the early 1990s.
It definitely felt like metaverse is the big trend of CES and really in technology in general right now.
So this is a full body tracking system for metaverse. The suits contains every systems, cooling and heating systems, and also the body tracking system and some muting system.
A dagger wound goes in and you can feel the movement.
Right now, all the haptic technology is based on vibration. But in vibration, you always only feel one sensation. But with our technology, you don't have limits. You can feel all type of sensations. What is the metaverse? You cannot feel. It's only an avatar.
Time and distance become irrelevant. That's the idea behind meta mobility, where you can move anywhere and in physical and virtual worlds. Move humans beyond limitation. Move things beyond imagination.
It seems like every company has some sort of an implementation for micromobility to get you from A to B, but ultimately Hyundai's was a little bit different. They have these things called PNDs or plug and drive modules that are like little automated motorized caster wheels that you could put on anything. The idea being that you could definitely put them on a small personal mobility device to take you to the bus or to the airport or something like that. They even showed them on tables in offices, for example, to have workspaces move around you and adapt to your needs. Instead of you moving from one room to the next, maybe the room just kind of rearranges itself around you to become whatever you need.
What does that mean? It means that companies can now securely start their migration into the metaverse. In the city, you can do anything that you do in a physical city. Imagine any activity that happened in a physical structure, whether it's a retail store, a learning experience, a job interview, a board meeting, a CEO giving a town hall. All of that can now happen in an amazing structure that you construct inside of your campus in M-City.